Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can input SIM card to your MAXCOM phone. To do this you have to simply rotate your phone and remove this back cover. We have to start from this right bottom corner, so we have to input our fingernail just right here, and then we have to remove this cover. So take a look how it works. You have to press on it from this side, and as you can see right now it just simply jumps out, and we can simply input our nails right here and gently remove this plastic cover. Next we have to remove the battery by using this place. Take it off, and as you can see here we can find place for our SIM card and also for micro SD card. Okay, so to open this SIM tray, now we have to use, for example, this accessory knife. We can also use the screwdriver, and we have to push this part to the right side. So take a look. I can recommend you to put it right here and press on it. And right now it will jump out and we will be able to open it. It's not that easy actually. You have used some strength, but you can do this, I believe. And right now we have to input our SIM card. So let me do this right now. I have micro mini card and I'm gonna use this adapter to put it on. So we have to put it in this position, just like that. Take a look. And to close it, just do this like that and then swipe up. So to open it you have to swipe down, and to close it you have to swipe down. I mean swipe up to close. As you can see right now this part is not moving and we are not able to take it off, so it's not going to fall out of this place. Next we have to put back our battery, then turn on the phone by using this power button. Now just wait a little bit. As you can see right now our phone is searching, and as you can see it's working. So yeah, right now we are able to use, for example, the mobile data or simply make the phone calls. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.